I'm about to sneeze, hold on.
Yeah.
I told you I was about to sneeze. Did you say ew? You are the worst. Okay, I love you.
Love you.
No.
Yeah.
No. This is heartbreak right here. This hurt.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the Pantyhose Studios.
Good today, just me. So we're just gonna get one opinion, the most important. I was gonna say the most important opinion, but whatever.
Starting from here to down there. Bruh, I've been sneezing so much. I think it's because there's candle.
Apparently, my leg has a reaction too when I.
Alright, so I'm gonna take you with me and let's make this dress.
But this definitely has like the vibe going on. Wait.
Do you see those sharp edges that it has? Great, right? Great. Well, that's how I sneeze.
TikTok dance you want to learn but can't. Oh, I have sneezed.
It's allergy season.
Oh my god, I almost fell over from that one. Monty double dab for pop request. I use horse shampoo in my hair. I love you. Oh my gosh.
Do that just for fun.
I have a personal question.
What, Frank?
So you need advice on what a hickey looks like?
Oh my gosh.
What the heck? Oh god, coronavirus! You need to know what a hickey looks like.
I feel like this is just a red room of pain. Fan of it. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed and I will talk to you all later.
Confidence in yourself. You gotta be confident.
Slips under here.
What's here?
So this is my bedside emulsion. It's formulated with nourishing sweet almond oil, soothing aloe vera, and other highly conditioning botanical ingredients. And sneezes. Kidding. There's just two of those. And again, just taking the clay and clip it on. Sorry. Try not like a cheetah print scarf. I've got scarves that look like this. I have to sneeze. Sorry. Oh, I gotta sneeze.
Hello.
I thought there was like contact lenses and eyelash places here. Maybe they moved. Oh, I sneeze. Wait, I think I found.
Now, oh, I'm gonna sneeze. I just had a couple of bites of a vegan. Just had a couple of bites of a. Oh my god, of a vegan banana muffin. Literally like small bites. And I just have a little cup of grapes that I'm trying to eat, and I have a cup of tea. August is just. August was just sitting and eating his breakfast, but now he's, I don't know what he's doing. Augie. Oh my god, I can't stop sneezing. His breakfast is on the little table over there. Just vegan banana muffin, some grapes, some fruit snacks. And yeah, so it's Sunday. I do plan on going to work tonight, hopefully, if I feel up to it. What, baby? Oh my gosh. Let me go because I cannot stop sneezing. I'll see you guys in a little